Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing lead code problem. Problem number is 50 and the name of the problem is POW x comma n, means power of x to the raised to power n. Okay, let's read the problem. Implement pow x comma n which calculates x raised to power n, that is x raised to power n. Okay, and they have given us the input x equal to 2 and n is 10. Okay, so the naive approach to and the basic solution of doing this problem is that we can use a for loop or any other loop that you want to take, whether it's while loop or a for loop, and you can loop till and you can loop from 1 to less than equal to n and multiply the x that times, multiply the x till the iteration of the loop and get the answer. But the time complexity of this solution is O of n. Okay, O of n is the time complexity of this solution. So now the interval will ask you to optimize this solution. So to optimize this solution, you can use a optimized approach, which said that that first we can see that if then n is negative, so means that x raised to power minus n, if this is given to us, means the n which is given to us is negative. So हम क्या करेंगे, we can write this as 1 upon x to the raised power n, means that we can calculate x to the power raised x to the power is n, and then we can take this fraction and return the answer. Okay, the approach is this, but we can see that it's negative and it can cause an integer overflow in C. So to change this negative to positive, if we check the condition that when the n is negative, so we can take the n as positive and we can replace that, and we can use long data type. Okay, so what integer overflow, long. Okay, so the approach of this is that if we see here the n is 10, okay, and n is even. Okay, n is even, we will maintain an answer equal to 1.0, as it is given that we have to return a double data type 1.0. Okay, so see, n is even, you can see that here the n is even. So if n is even, then you have to multiply x equal to x into x. So x equal to x into x. Okay, and n will be divided by 2, n equal to n by 2. And if you see the n that you encounter is odd, then your approach will be answer equal to answer into x and n equal to n minus 1. Okay, so let's dry run this code on the solution that I have quoted above. Okay, so see, here the n is 2, n is 10 and an even number, so we'll do x equal to x into x. So now x will change to 22, which is 4. So now I can write this as 4. Okay, and n will be n by 2, so n will be changed to 10 by 2, which is 5. So let's change the n to 5. Okay, 5. Now we can see that the n is odd. Okay, then we have to do answer equal to answer into x. Answer here is given to us is 1.0, so answer will be 1.0 into 4, which is 4.0. Okay, now answer will be changed to 4.0. Let's name this as purple. Okay, 4.0, and now n equal to n minus 1, so now n will be changed to 5 minus 1, which is 4. Now see, here we encountered that the n is even, so I have told you that when the n is even, then we have to do x equal to x into x, then x equal to x into x, which is 4 into 4, which is 16, and n equal to n by 2, so n changes to 4 by 2, which is 2. Now you again see that we have encountered an even x, so I have told you that when n equal to even, then we have to do x equal to x into x, so 16 into 16, which is 256. Okay friends, see, n equal to 256, that I have told you, and n equal to n by 2, so n changes to 1. Now see, n is odd, and we know that when n is odd, then we have to do answer into x. So 256 into 4, which comes out to be 1024.0. I can write this as 1024.0. Okay, and n now changes to n minus 1, which is, so it changes to 0, and we have to iterate this loop till the n is greater than 0. So our answer comes out to be 1024.0, and this is our solution of the question, because we can see that the original it was given that n equal to 2, 2 raised to power 10, we know that 1024. So let's quote this solution, and it would be clear by quoting this solution. We can maintain double answer equal to 1.0, which to our answer. Okay, and I told you that we have to maintain long so that we could avoid integer overflow, and then I could name this as nn. And if we see that if nn is less than 0, then you can do nn equal to 0 minus n, so the negative will change to positive. Now see, we have to iterate till nn is greater than 0, and if we see that nn is divisible by 2 equal to 0, then you have to change x equal to x into x. Okay friends, and now nn will be divided by 2, and if the nn is odd, then you have to multiply answer star equal to x, means answer is multiplied by x, and nn minus 1 minus equal to 1. Okay, now see, we come out of the for loop, and if we check whether our n is 0, n is less than 0, because now nn will be changed to 0. So we to keep the track whether the power which was given is negative or positive, so we have maintained the temporary variable long nn. Okay, and now we check, so then we will return double, it's double, and 1.0 divided by double answer, and else we have to return answer if it's not less than 0. So let's run this code and check this whether it's compiling or not. It says accepted, let's submit it. Okay friends, thank you friends. If you like the solution useful, then you can like, share and subscribe to my channel, and show some love to my channel.